Good morning, students. Welcome back to your GK class. So, today I will give you some question answer on our topic, our country, as well as the famous sites. So, first, all of you take out your classwork copy. Now, already I told you your first unit test syllabus, and we have completed our syllabus, and our country and famous sites, the question answers are left. So today I will give you. So first, take out your copy, put classwork and today's date, and write our topic name, our country. Now question is, fill in the blanks. Number 1, dash is our national animal. NATIONAL, national. ANIMAL, animal. Dash is our national animal. Which is our national animal, children? Tiger. So TIGER, tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Number 2, our national flower is lotus. LOTUS, lotus. Number 3, dash is our national bird. I hope you know this one. Peacock. So PEACOCK, cock. Peacock is our national bird. Fourth one is, our national emblem is. In the previous topic, you have learned that our national emblem name is Ashoka Pillar, or our national emblem is Ashoka Pillar. ASHOKA, Ashoka. PILLAR, pillar, Ashoka Pillar. Now the fifth one is, dash was a great poet of India. Dash was a great poet of India. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a great poet of India. RABIN, Rabin. DRA, Rabindra. NATH, Nath. Rabindranath Tagore, TAGORE, Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was the great poet of India. Now the sixth one is, first Prime Minister of India was. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. JAWAHARLAL, Lal. Jawaharlal, NEHRU, Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India, and our present Prime Minister name is Mr. Narendra Modi. Now the seventh one is, dash is called father of nation. Who is called father of nation? Mahatma Gandhi. MAHATMA, Mahatma. GANDHI, Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is called father of nation. In the previous chapter, I hope you can identify that he is Mahatma Gandhi, father of nation. He is Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. And he is Rabindranath Tagore. He was a great poet of India. So from this chapter or topic, you have to write this fill in the blanks in your classwork copy. Now all of you turn the page. A little bit more question. Famous sites. Famous sites. Again you have to do fill in the blanks. Very easy this one. Do you remember that when you was writing the places names, beside the place I told you to write the actual place where these sites are located. These things today we will write in our classwork copy. So Qutub Minar. First one is Qutub Minar is located in dash. Do you remember, children? Where is Qutub Minar located? In Delhi. So write in Delhi. D-E-L-H-I. Delhi. Now the next one is India Gate is located in dash. Where is India Gate located? India Gate is located in New Delhi. N-E-W. New Delhi. D-E-L-H-I. New Delhi. Now the next one, Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is located in Agra. So A-G-R-A, Agra. Now full stop. The fourth one is Charminar is located in Hyderabad. So H-Y-D-E, Ra, R-A, Ra, B-A-D, Bad, Hyderabad. And the last one, Gateway of India is located in dash. Where is Gateway of India located? In Mumbai. So M-U-M-B-A-I, Mumbai. So till this much today, you have to learn all these things. And children, prepare for your first unit test. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.